Welcome back. My name is Theresa and I'm very much hands. I have an awful garbage filthy mouth, so viewer discretion is advised. But if you're not into that or weird shit in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to X out the video here. No harm, no foul, but I'll remember our time fondly. Again, another little bit of a remix. Okay, hi. This is Glossybox, y'all. We have a November Glossybox unboxing, and we love getting disappointed on this channel. First and foremost, I want to say thank you so much to Glossybox for sending this my way and allowing me to be the true garbage queen that I am. I appreciate it and I love you. Now, if you've never heard of Glossybox, well, let me tell you a little bit about it.
Glossybox is a beauty subscription box. Every month we deliver 5 hand-picked beauty products straight to your doorstep inside our iconic pink box. Expect a mix of makeup, skincare, fragrance, and hair care from a huge array of international beauty brands. Each box is always worth at least $60, so you can guarantee great value as well as something new and exciting each month.
So like I mentioned, every month I do have a coupon code with them. If you use the code Theresa, you can get your first box for $16. Normally these boxes retail for about $21 a piece. Okay, so with that said, let's open this bitch up. Ooh. Oh, fun. Okay, look at all this fun. Oh, hold on. We have some stray pubes. Okay, come on, stray pubes. Okay, we have a lot of stuff, but we do have some coupon codes. We have, ooh, a spooky thing from Geico. Ooh, we have that. We have a HelloFresh. We have, ooh, naked wine voucher. If you're interested in that, go ahead, steal the code. I could care less. Get $100 off. Oh, we have a Shutterfly. Here, steal the code, enjoy it, love it. Don't ever say I didn't give you anything. All right, so this month we have a fun little magazine, and this is the Beauty Desires edition. Oh, and pretty much in this pamphlet gives you all the information about the products, and oh, looks like there's going to be a couple of different Black Friday boxes. Okay, so you have a Black Friday limited edition box, a holiday limited edition box, a generation box. What the fuck does that mean? Not sure what to buy the teenage girl in your life this year? I was gonna say something really, never mind. Okay, look no further. The Generation Glossybox was curated specifically for girls who are starting to learn about the world of beauty. It's the perfect way for them to find their new favorite lip gloss, try different nail polishes, and learn about skincare. Oh, okay, all right, interesting. And then it looks like a Glossybox skincare box. How many times can I say box in this video? I'm not a fan of their skincare. It burned me last time I tried it, so. With that said, let's start from the beginning. I'm gonna open up my little pamphlet over here, and we're gonna start with this guy because he's in bubble wrap, and I love bubble wrap. Oh, all right, so this is from the brand Chella. It's a teeny tiny little eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $20, and it's the Manifest Bronze. The 4 shades of this palette, Charisma, Radiant, Purpose, and Intention, will transform you into a glam, confident version of yourself. You lost me there. I don't like, I feel so icky. That's like, I feel like I should have like a Live, Laugh, Love poster and my stinky LuLaRoe fucking leggings on, but okay. Buildable and highly pigmented. This palette ensures a look that will amplify your inner and outer glow. Okay, so, well, they do feel soft. You know what? Maybe I was giving this brand shit when I shouldn't have. Their copy is disgusting, but their shit is pigmented though. Oh, okay. I do love a basic bitch color story. Okay, the matte is probably, I think that's probably the least exciting about this. But the shimmers, shimmers kind of feel quite nice. I'm gonna give this a whirl. I love a basic bitch palette. Can't get any more fucking basic than this, but looks pretty good. The next thing is from a brand called Fig and Rouge. And this is the Satin Soft Blurring Primer and Finishing Fix. I don't think I have ever heard of this brand ever. Well, let's see. Oh, it's pink. Okay. So this retails for $52. Okay. I mean, the the consistency is very semen-y. It's very sploogey. It's very sploogey. It doesn't feel sticky though. It's just, you know what I mean? Like, it's like I'm in the back of a fucking car. We all had a childhood. Okay. Oh, wait. You know what I mean, okay? We were all we were all young adults doing things we weren't supposed to do, okay? God damn it. Anyway, so let me tell you a little bit about this one. This primer is designed to say horrible things, but it's designed to fix your foundation, finish your complexion for a complete matte perfection. Oh, I don't like that. It's silicone-free, pore minimizing, and anti-blemish qualities. Absorb oil so you'll have a beautiful, smooth finish without any breakouts. Okay, I'm now starting to feel sticky, so I can see where the makeup could potentially, you know, stick to it. It's also very matte compared to, like, say, I don't know, over here where my skin looks a little bit more glossy. Like, it is very matte. I'm not a matte person because I find that matte just looks flat on me, and yeah, not a fan, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it and I'll let you know how it works. But $52, that's a lot of money. So let's see if this is any good. The next thing is from a brand called Vitabrid C, and this is a full-size product. This retails for $48, and this is their Daily C Balancing Cleansing Balm. I'm just gonna rip the package open unconventionally. Okay. Melt Away Sorbet. Ooh. It has a... Okay, I really hope you heard that. My nose is really, like, it's on a mission today. I don't know what this smells like. It doesn't smell like anything, but it smells like something. You know what I mean? Like, it has a twinge of something, but I just don't know what that something is. It doesn't smell familiar, though. It smells like sometimes when you walk into, like, a closet and it has that smell. You know what I mean? I feel like no one's gonna understand what I'm saying. And that's fine. Listen, that's fine. But it smells like a... I just walked into a closet and I kind of forgot what I was looking for. You know what I mean? Like, that's the smell that it has. Anyway, what is this? Infused with plant-derived extracts, this facial cleansing balm helps to effortlessly dissolve stubborn makeup and impurities. It's formulated with the powerful antioxidant blend of cacao oil. I'm not sure if I'm saying that correctly. Proprietary Vitabrid CG active vitamin C to help support a clear and radiant complexion. Okay. I fuck me up cleansing balms all the time. Can't have enough of them. So we'll put this little shit to the test. And it expires in 2022. All right, good. For a second, I was about to freak out. Thought it was this year. Never mind. Oh, what's this fancy thing? Commodity. Paper. Yes, paper is a commodity. Okay, you could scan that if you want to. Scent Space Personal. For me and the few I... Wait, what the fuck does this say? Scent Space Personal. For me and the few I allow close. Oh, is this a perfume? Oh, I love a perfume. Oh, yes. Okay, hold on. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, that's spicy. It smells like, oh God, wait. Oh my God, no, I touched my nose to it. God damn it. It smells like, if nail polish remover was a fragrance. Like, I love smelling like acetone. Like, that's what it smells like. Hold on, smell it.
Smells like... This smells like, you get it like a big gift set.
Yeah.
And it's a free with purchase.
Yeah.
It's a free with purchase scent.
Yes.
Because it's not great.
No. It kind of feels like if I huff it in a bag, I may or may not, like, end up in a different state.
No, you'll end up in a different galaxy.
You know what I think we should try later?
No.
I always wanted to huff stuff. Ooh, I don't like it.
No.
Okay, bye-bye. I gotta throw that out. Ooh! All right, fuck that. Thank you. Okay, so moving on. The last product we have is from the Beauty Crop, and this is the Wee Shutty Thing. Oh, it's a hydrating lip oil. Okay. Ay, 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 ay. Oh, fun. Okay. This does not smell bad. Doesn't really smell like anything. So let's just put this on. Do love a good lip oil. Okay. So this retails for $12. Say bonjour to your new lip obsession. This non-sticky, moisture-rich lip treatment has a pH color-changing formula that works with your unique pH level to give you a custom shade. What? The fuck is this science project? What? Perfectly... Oh my God, look, it is! It's changing color! Aw, pink like a pig. I love it. Okay. Anyway, it also keeps your lips unbelievably soft and nourished. Oh my God. This is pretty much what the color looks like on my mouth. It's very pink. It's very girly. I feel like I'm 12 years old and I'm putting on like my third tube of Bonnie Bell lip gloss. You know what I mean? Like, That's what this reminds me of, but I'm not mad at it though. Oh no, please tell me it doesn't stain. Please tell me it doesn't stain. No! No! Fuck, bitch. No, my face is gonna look pink all day. No, oh God. Okay, so this thing stains, as you can see. Fuck me. Ugh. Okay, all right, so let's recap here. 2 of the products I threw in the garbage immediately because I really just, I don't like what they do. That sucks. Okay, primer, intrigued to try, but it's, oh, it's matte. Oh, my skin feels very tight. I don't know how I feel about that. I don't know if I want to put that on my face, but we're gonna try it though. I think the 2 things that I was kind of like okay about is pretty much this little eyeshadow palette. The swatches look pretty good, and this little cleansing balm. It's a cleansing balm. I think it's gonna be fine. Pretty good. It's taking away the makeup. Get that red shit out of here. Okay, so not bad. I was able to get up that pink shit. Ugh, hold on. Okay, I mean, my hand's a little red. Okay. That was touch and go there. All right, so these are probably the only 2 products that I was like, okay about. Everything else, not so much. Was this box worth it? No, I don't think so in my opinion. Glossybox, I kind of feel like just, sometimes when they're good, but when they're bad, and this is a particular month where it wasn't good. And yeah, always curious to see what else they're gonna put out next month. With that said, thank you again, Glossybox, for sending this my way. Really appreciate it. Hopefully it's better next month. And with that said, if you do get Glossybox, let me know if you got this in your box or you got something different. Let me know because I love hearing from you. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. It's free. And hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon, to all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies. Thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really gross, really just awful garbage boat afloat. I couldn't do without you, and I love your adorable little delicious faces. If you want to know what's currently on my nails, everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you little pumpkins later. Bye. You like that? Me too.